Okay, third graders, now it's time for the literacy skill main idea. So we have been working a lot on main idea and giving key details. So I just want to give a little review about main idea so it can help you during the reading of Brave Girl. Wow, excuse me. Okay, so let's get started. So here's the resources so good readers can identify the main idea. The main idea is what the text is mostly about. So, what is the text, Brave Girl, going to be mostly about? Okay. Some clues that we can look for as we're reading today is what is the text mostly about? You can look at the title and the headings to give you clues. So, we know our title so far is Brave Girl. So, what is that title telling us about the main idea of this book? The book will not have headings. It will definitely have pictures. It will have lots of pictures and illustrations. So as we read today, make sure you're keeping an eye on those illustrations in the book, Brave Girl, to kind of give you ideas or clues about what the book is mainly about, what is mostly about. Sometimes the main idea is stated in the first or last sentence. So as I read today, and if I read when I read the first page, be looking for that clue to help support the main idea, okay? And then we will not be reading the last part of the book. We will only be reading half of the book for this week. The next clue that we're going to be looking for is clue words that are used repeatedly. So, what are words that are being used constantly in the book, Brave Girl, as I read? So, as I read today, you're looking for some of those words that pop up quite frequently, okay? That's going to be main idea. On the next few slides, it will be the read aloud of Brave Girl, okay? So I will have two read alouds. One read aloud is just me reading the book. The second read aloud is me annotating, taking notes, underlining. Please make sure you're watching the video twice, okay? And looking for those clues to help support what the main idea of Brave Girl is and what the three key details are. All right, good luck, third graders, and keep up the hard work. I'll talk to you soon.